One chest up on the TV, so.
Yeah, let me turn it up.
Can't make it go upstairs.
You know, music this, man. I love music, you know. The TV in the upstairs.
Take a break.
For
Go upstairs.
what do I?
Working up for star. Spectacular. Did it when the rain a fall? Did it when I'm in the storm? Did it when my nature gone?
So, boys.
Girl, you kept me safe and warm. Did it when the chips were low? Been there when the tide was high. Ooh, girl, that is how I know. You wouldn't leave for no other guy, cause
You say all the thing.
We go upstairs. While I come catch for you.
we'll be there together. Together we will be.
I'll be there for you.
You'll be there for me. We'll be there together. Together we will be. Hello, 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 hello. Sitting in the studio, I'm all alone, trying to get my baby on my mobile phone. She's in the distance, far from home. Ooh, I wanna try to where no man roam. I'm in the mood to get her.
Get one steamed fish, please.
I'm say 15 minutes. Go on, wait, that's enough.
I'm hungry now. Mother, you see your future for me, you?
Kind of question that, Ren.
I mean,
I want to day I say we there if I don't see no future.
so yeah, try to
I try if you say, I never see nobody yet when I check for like how I check for you, you see?
tell everybody, man.
No, man,
Why
believe me,
difference
man.
in me? Why difference in me?
The only woman I check for more than you and my mother, you see? Yeah, man. See you now, and you save my life. If I never for you, I would have still up on the street. And you know that too.
Anything you say? Wonder sometime where we have to go from your side, isn't it?
We definitely have a future, man. You know, say you save my life. If I never for you, who knows what would happen to me now? They must find me down so down.
Yeah.
Love how you can burn your herbs still, you know?
You brought me out in a major.
You're the perfect girl. Yeah.
Ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
Come now.
News Bulletin. Maja Blessed, aka Rakazulu, has just escaped from the general penitentiary. He's armed and dangerous. If spotted, please call Kingston 1-800-55
with the cause, fighting Babylon system, burning Babylon laws. I'm a rebel, yeah. Rebel with the cause, fighting Babylon system, burning Babylon laws.
Yeah, baby.
And now put on badness.
Who tell us I mean a badness?
But no ain't nobody go around me, man. Just answer it.
I'm just survival, yeah, man.
You don't have to do that to survive.
What do you mean?
Other things out there you can't do in no matter. You don't have to do that to survive.
Right now, I'm tired of being on the run, you know.
So how you want to pursue that if you're tired of them?
Yeah, because now I'm the hunter. Them time the man was the hunter.
That talk foolishness.
Not true thing, man. The man can't hunt me again. And me do the hunting, you know.
And so you feel.
Yeah.
I like that idea. This. Tell me, now go
So yeah, so I continue and left me.
Yeah?
You're mad, man. You can't left bad, man.
All mean I can't left bad man. A bad man me I go left and take up a good smart.
You know me a good youth at all, man.
So why you want to pursue bad man?
Make sure so nobody can diss you. Any man diss you.
Nobody can diss me. I'm from not trouble people.
Well, you don't know. All if you're humble nowadays, people want to hurt you, you know. Any man disrespect you. Slow that.
Yeah, imagine me still see him chat bad man. You know, you're going to feel those.
Yeah, Borders. Yeah, man, we shout all Confederates and traitors and spy. How you mean? Yeah, man, pop one to the eye. Play by the king, full of his all I bring. Murder style. Play by the bounce, you're bound to get around. Yeah, pull your enemies a plot when I go hide. And when them a attack when I go hide. Murder when we ride, yo. 357 Smith and Wesson I left my side. And when we collide, foes die for what they tried. Enemies a plot when I go hide. And when them a
Roger.